Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, we have posted some amazing recipes in the past. Check them out at youtube.com/Sharif's Kitchen. If you're new, click and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Today, let's see how to cook pepper chicken. We're doing this with 2 kilograms of chicken. Detailed ingredients are listed in the description below. If you're cooking with less, change the ingredients accordingly. First, let's heat a pan and add 150 ml of groundnut oil. To that, add 400 grams of onion. That will be 4 to 5 medium-sized onions. Saute it until it's translucent. If you don't get groundnut oil, or if you don't have it, you can just use vegetable oil. Once the onions are translucent, add about 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it till the raw smell is gone. Then add about half a cup of coriander leaves, saute it for about 10 seconds, and then add half a cup of mint leaves and saute that too. Keep the flame in medium-low so that it doesn't get burned. As always, I will share some tips along this video, so don't skip this video, watch it continuously so you will not miss some of the tips that I give you as we progress. After sauteing the mint leaf for about 10 seconds, now you can add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now this Kashmiri red chili powder is not going to add too much of spice, but it will add good color. But to have a nice color, add some kind of a liquid within about a minute of adding the Kashmiri red chili powder, otherwise it will turn dark. So I've added about 300 grams of yogurt. That is about 1 1/4 cup in cup measurement. Mix it up really well and look at the amazing color that we have got. To this, add 3 green chilies. As I mentioned, the Kashmiri red chili will not be very spicy. It's mainly added for color. Now at this point, when you already see the oil oozing out, we can add in the tomatoes. So we have had about 400 grams of tomato. That's about 5 to 6 medium-sized tomatoes. Roughly chopped and mix it up really well. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes until the tomatoes are completely mashed in. Now it's time to add the chicken. So I've taken 2 kilograms of chicken, cut into really small pieces. So that's about 1 chicken cut into 32 pieces. Now add salt to your taste, mix it well and cover it with a lid. You do not have to add any amount of water. Look at the amount of water that the chicken has actually released by itself. After about 20 minutes of slow cooking, check for the taste and doneness. If you need to add more salt, you can do that now. Bring back the flame to high so that you can boil off some water, excess water that you have. Generally, pepper chicken is a thick gravy, but today I don't want it to be that way. I'm going to be keeping it a little watery. But if you want to dry this up, move all the chicken to one side, keep the flame high and let it dry. Let the water evaporate. But today I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to move it to one side. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder to the gravy side, and I'll tell you why we're doing this in a short while. Mix it up really well. And finally, the hero of today's ingredients, the black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder again to the gravy side, mix it well. Once you see that it's completely mixed to the gravy, then bring back the chicken. The reason why we are doing it this way is because when we add it to the entire dish, it will become very difficult for you to mix it around. That's why you mix it on the gravy or the liquid side and then mix it into the dish. That's it. Pepper chicken gravy is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe.